Welcome back, everybody. This is Jess. Say hi, Jess. Right then, tell everybody, when is your driving test?
2.5 weeks.
2.5 weeks to your driving test.
I think.
Yeah, cool. Look at that.
Hi.
Say hello. Look at that.
Hi.
Say hello. Look at that. Say hello.
Do they have toilets in test centre?
Yes, they do.
Okay, good. I'm this person who pees constantly before anything. I nervous pee.
Well, I hope you're not nervous now.
No. I've gotten used to it. I've had about 4 pees before leaving the house in it.
It starts now, okay?
Okay.
There we go. Look left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. There's nothing coming. Let's go. That's it. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. That's it.
Whiplash,
So,
whiplash.
there was a building there on the left, okay? If there would have been a car or a motorbike or something coming, you wouldn't have seen it.
Let's find a biting point. I'm taking my foot off the brakes on a hill. Find a biting point. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Ugh, I can't see backwards. Gas. Yes. Would I have failed for that?
2 things you failed for, okay?
Okay. Fail or like fall?
Failed. Yeah?
Okay.
Number 1, you rolled backwards.
Yeah.
Number 2, your left indicator was still on.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. See?
Don't overthink it. Just deal with it. Oh, you beauty! Now that's how you do it.
It's cause.
What?
Stop thinking.
Yeah.
Had to do it once today, didn't I?
There's a fox in that bush there laughing at you.
Huh?
There we go.
I did it! Can we just tell the world I did it? I didn't stop! I never had to stop with that roundabout from there! She could drive, she could drive, she could...
Concentrate on your driving for me, please.
No, yeah. They like me today.
Right then. So can you tell me how you'd know if there was a problem with your ABS braking system?
The brake wouldn't work.
Talking to the examiners, okay? They are not big and they are not bad. No, I'm not going to be able to do this. I need to pull up somewhere.
Do we pull out?
I need to take my seatbelt off.
I full lock that. No. 3/4 of a clock that way, yeah?
3/4 of a clock.
Yeah, 45 minutes.
Right then. 1 complete turn. I want to hear nothing but positivity.
Okay, we're going to drive Fab Daddy Danzo and we're going to cause a traffic jam by following the speed limit.
That doesn't matter. We're not breaking the speed limit.
Exactly. So,
It's a limit.
positive thoughts. We get to know everyone else to stay. Take caution on that corner.
Okay.
I don't want to go in there yet. It's alright, you it's moved on a Wednesday morning.
Jess, do you want to walk home from here?
No, one time. It's fine.
Where's your glasses?
Huh?
Oh, okay. Okay.
I don't
Cool.
want to speak to people. If I don't wear them to school around, I can't see anyone.
Brilliant.
It is, yeah. I'm used to this road.
Oh, excellent. So you know what's round the corner then?
Yeah. Pain in the asses.